that was a challenging one early on, and I just had to learn. But opposing counsel was very generous. And actually, opposing counsel I still see today, and he was like, "You gave me a run for my money. I didn't expect it to be that hard." And I was just like, he was a good dad. Mm-hmm. And now that I know, if the law would still have been the same, what I would have done differently in that one, I probably would have tried to I'm always about settling cases, right? I'm always the one that's like, why are we going to court? Why are you letting some independent person who's only going to hear 30 minutes of your side dictate your life? Let's figure out how we can make this fit for you. I probably would have not negotiated, but probably tried to force mediation on that one, had I known.
Yeah, I think it's so interesting because even our losses can turn into wins because of what we learn in through each situation. And you're like me. You've been doing this for a while. I've hit the 20-year mark, and I've passed the 20-year mark now. And it's like, what? How did that happen? And so you forget until you take time and look back and go, man, I didn't know this. I didn't know this. And now how could I handle those situations differently? And how do I handle those situations differently? Yeah. There's something to be said for the experience of seeing how the law is applied to different sets of facts in the family law situation. Because family law is challenging, and it does changes. I think you mentioned that case that really changed the fit parent presumption in Texas. And I had a very similar case with a mom with a deceased dad who had had custody, and mom just wanted to be with her child. And similar things. It was the law was a little bit different then, and we had grandparents who were very involved and very stable, and so it was a real heartbreak